Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. How are you? I'm fine. I hope you are fit and fine. Almighty grace of Allah. Today I'm gonna discuss that is how important in our life spoken English. I think I'm gonna say how important spoken English. If you want to improve yourself, if you want to develop your career, if you want to develop your skill, remember one thing: English is spoken all over the world. English is only language all over the world. 53 countries are main language. Could you imagine how much important English? So we need to learn English and also speak in English as well as possible. Okay.